Do you want to master watercolor batiks on Japanese rice paper? Then you need to watch this tutorial. If you're interested in getting your hands on all the materials used in this demonstration, check out the YouTube video description below. Watercolor batik is the process of using Japanese rice paper and paraffin wax. And what you do is you start with the white of the paper, and if you want to preserve the white of the paper, you apply paraffin wax there. Then you put your color down on top of that. You let it dry, and it's going to dry a lot lighter than it looks. You can see between these different stages here how it goes back and forth between light and dark. So once that paper's dry, then you put more wax on top of that. Then you apply darker color on top of that. So you're going light to dark in layers. You're going to get hard edges because you're using paraffin wax. Then at the very end, after you spend all this time working on it, you crumble the whole thing into a ball and melt off the wax, and hopefully don't destroy the painting in the process. And it's actually quite terrifying to crumble it into a ball to rub color into the cracks after you've spent hours and hours working on it, but this is what really gives it the unique batik effect. And this is the final painting. This is the chain bridge in Budapest. The original is for sale. It's 24 by 38. I also do sell prints of this line, as well as I do teach this in workshops all over the country. Please contact me for further information. Thank you so much for watching this painting demonstration today. If you like this content, hit subscribe. I'll have more watercolor tutorials in the future. Thanks a lot and happy painting.